Welcome back to the CISA Exam Prep Series. Today, we're covering Domain 1, the process of auditing information systems, with scenario-based questions 21 through 35. Each question is crafted to reflect real audit situations, and every answer includes a clear explanation to help you master the logic behind it. Let's get started. Question 21. And his auditor is assessing a new e-commerce system. The auditor notices that the same individual can process, approve, and refund customer orders. What is the primary concern in this situation? E. Data redundancy. B. Lack of training. C. Segregation of duties. D. Inefficient workflows. The correct answer is C. Segregation of duties. Question 22. During an audit, management refuses to provide access to certain system logs, claiming confidentiality. What should the auditor do first? E. Escalate to senior management. B. Withdraw from the audit. C. Document the refusal and assess impact. D. Access the logs through alternative means. The correct answer is C. Document the refusal and assess impact. Question 23. And his auditor is reviewing a financial system where monthly reconciliations are delayed due to manual data entry errors. Which control should the auditor recommend? E. Multi-factor authentication. B. Automated reconciliation process. C. Data retention policy. D. Incident response plan. The correct answer is B. Automated reconciliation process. Question 24. While auditing a data center, the auditor finds that the disaster recovery plan has not been tested in 2 years. What is the most significant risk? E. Non-compliance with audit policy. B. High recovery costs. C. Plan might not work as expected during a crisis. D. Lack of backups. The correct answer is C. Plan might not work as expected during a crisis. Question 25. A newly hired system admin is given full access to the production environment on their first day without background checks. Which control is missing here? E. Security awareness training. B. Role-based access. C. Pre-employment screening. D. Change management. The correct answer is C. The audit team notices that logs on critical systems are regularly overwritten due to insufficient storage. What should the auditor recommend first? E. Increase log retention period. B. Encrypt logs. C. Archive logs externally. D. Expand log storage capacity. The correct answer is D. Expand log storage capacity. Question 27. During a payroll audit, the auditor observes that terminated employees still have system access. Which control weakness does this illustrate? E. Inadequate password policy. B. Lack of offboarding procedures. C. Weak audit logging. D. Improper data classification. The correct answer is B. Lack of offboarding procedures. Question 28. And his auditor is reviewing access logs and finds several failed login attempts to a privileged admin account. What is the best recommendation? E. Disable the account. B. Increase password length. C. Implement account lockout policy. D. Train the admin on password rules. The correct answer is C. Implement account lockout policy. Question 29. An organization recently implemented an ERP system. The auditor finds that no post-implementation review was conducted. Why is this a concern? E. ERP data might be lost. B. Key business processes may not be working as intended. C. Employees may resist the new system. D. Licensing costs may be underestimated. The correct answer is B. Key business processes may not be working as intended. Question 30. A software developer has direct access to update live application code without peer review. Which type of risk is most likely here? E. Strategic. B. Operational. C. Development. D. Fraud. The correct answer is D. And his auditor finds that the internal audit team uses outdated tools incompatible with current enterprise systems. What is the most appropriate recommendation? E. Hire external auditors. B. Update audit tools and train staff. C. Reduce the audit scope. D. Postpone the audit. The correct answer is B. Update audit tools and train staff. Question 32. In reviewing a mobile app rollout, the auditor finds no controls to prevent sensitive data from being stored on user devices. What is the primary risk? E. Poor performance. B. Data tampering. C. Data leakage. D. Incompatibility. The correct answer is C. Data leakage. Question 33. An auditor finds inconsistent records between two financial systems integrated via APIs. What should be the first step? E. Audit the API code. B. Reconcile the records manually. C. Check interface logs and mappings. D. Restart both systems. The correct answer is C. Check interface logs and mappings. Question 34. A backup system was misconfigured and failed to store backups for a month. Which metric was most likely impacted? E. RPO. B. RTO. C. SLA. D. Uptime percentage. The correct answer is A. RPO. Question 35. An auditor observes that internal audits are only conducted when there is an external requirement or incident. What is the best recommendation? E. Conduct annual training. B. Establish a periodic audit schedule. C. Improve documentation. D. Outsource the audit process. The correct answer is B. Establish a periodic audit schedule. Outro. Great job working through these scenario-based questions from Domain 1 of the CISA exam. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow at canker.ehia for more practice content. See you in the next video.